Hello everybody, Chris with Jerry's Automotive here this morning, coming to you with a vehicle we had in the shop for a underboost code, a 2018 Chevy Malibu with a 4-cylinder. Upon inspection, customers seemed to think that they may need a turbo, was expecting to spend several thousands of dollars to get the turbo replaced and his vehicle back running correctly. Upon inspection, David has found that on the charge air pipe, where you see this clip here on the one end, that clip is very important. Allows it to have nice tight seal, no leakage. We come to the other end, we can see what's missing. So at some point, somebody's had their hands on this, not put the clip back in, been into an accident maybe. Something has happened here to cause that clip to go missing, thus not having a tight seal. David was able to get in there, replace this hose with 2 nice new clips, get the customer going without spending thousands of dollars on a repair. If you're needing vehicle repairs, give us a call at Jerry's Automotive at 517-393-7240 or book online at jerrysautomotivelansing.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.